Hello friends, this video on triangles part 8 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So let's draw some triangles where these sides are equal. This side is equal to this side, this is equal to this, this is equal to this. You'll observe that these angles opposite to equal sides are equal in isosceles triangles. I'm drawing some isosceles triangle. Also, you'll observe that the opposite side of equal angles of a triangle are equal. So the side opposite to the equal angles of a triangle are equal. This angle is equal, this angle is equal, this implies this side is equal. If this side is equal, this implies this angle is equal. We will see that. Okay. So if it is an isosceles triangle where these angles are equal, the side has to be equal. Okay. If the sides are equal, these two sides are equal, then the angle is isosceles triangle. We'll see that this actually happens. Exactly happens. If you draw this in a plain piece of paper, you will see that if you draw a triangle with two sides equal, you will see that these angles are equal. If you draw a triangle with these angles equal, you will notice that these sides are equal. Okay. So first, draw a triangle with the intention that these two sides are equal. Then observe the angle. You will see the angles are equal. Then draw the similar kind of triangle with the angles equal, and you'll observe that the sides are equal. So both are related. This is experimental data. Okay. So now we'll try to prove it. So let's do this construction with me. Okay. So where we are saying that if the angle opposite to equal sides are equal, so we'll draw equal sides and then we'll notice the angle. So we'll first draw a line and then we'll draw equal side. We'll take some length and then from this point, okay, using this compass, I'll draw this arc, and then from this point, I'll draw this arc. So that means this line and this line is the same. I'll draw this line. And now if you observe these angles, they are same. Now using protractor, you will observe these angles will be same. You can try this. Okay. So what we did, we have to draw triangle with two sides equal and then observe that opposite angles are equal. Okay. Let's try to prove it. Okay, so let's name this triangle ABC. So what is given? So given to us is sides are equal, that is AB is equal to AC. To prove is what? Angle B is equal to angle C. That is, this angle is equal to this angle. To prove that is, this is given. Okay, let's draw some construction. What we'll draw is, we'll draw bisector of angle A. Okay. And I'll tell you why we'll draw bisector. This bisector we'll draw is not a straight line, it has to be a straight line when you draw with the scale. And we'll make sure that this angle is equal to this angle. This is by construction. Okay. So if we draw a bisector of angle A and then let this meet at this point B, so now we have two triangles. One is A, D, B, this one. The next is again A, D, and then we have C. Why I have taken this? Because I have to prove that this angle is equal to this angle. I have to prove. Now we already know that this side AB and AC are equal, that is given. AD is equal to AD, common side. And this is by construction. These two angles are same by construction, right? BAD and CAD. BAD and CAD are equal by construction. Right? So with this I can prove that these two triangles are congruent. And these two triangles are congruent. That means what? That means angle B is equal to angle C. And that is what I have to prove. So let's do it. So in triangle ABD, ABD and triangle ACD, ACD, I can say that AB is equal to AC, given AD is equal to AD, common, and then I say that angle BAD is equal to angle CAD, and that is by construction. Okay, therefore triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, and thus angle ABD is equal to angle ACD, and that is what I have to prove, right? So here, please note here the trick was that we have to draw angle bisector. Okay, so we could have, the question is, can we draw perpendicular bisector here? Perpendicular, just draw a line is perpendicular to this, where it is given that this angle is 90 degree. We can, but it will not help us to solve it easily, right? Because we don't know that rule, RHS rule we have not yet learned. Till now we have learned that if side angle side is same, we can prove that these triangles are congruent. So in this case, let's see, they are congruent by what? They are congruent by side angle side. Okay, this side is given same, this side is given same. This angle, if we can prove to be same, then that's why we drew angle bisector of angle A. Okay. Now the question is converse also true? So let's see this. So in this case, the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Sorry. So this is exactly same as what we are saying. Is the converse also true? So we'll try to see that. So in this case, we'll draw a triangle where the angles are same. We have taken some fixed angle here, and the same angle with the compass we'll draw here. So this is given that this angle is equal to this angle, and we'll observe that these sides are equal. Right? So here, draw triangle, two equal angles, and observe that sides are equal. Okay, let's try to prove it. If you want to make it as theorem, you have to prove it. So it is, there is a triangle ABC. Here it is given that angle B is equal to angle C. Here it is given other way around, angle B is equal to angle C. So we have to prove what? AB is equal to AC. Okay. So what we can do here also, we can draw a bisector of angle A. And let it reach T. This is, let's suppose, angle 1, this is angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by construction. So now if you see these two triangles which we have got, okay, it's A, D and B, and this is A, D and C. Why I took this? Because AD is equal to AD, right? Angle B is equal to angle C given, and angle, this angle is equal to this angle, that is also by construction. Now if you see AAS, by AAS they are congruent. Since they are congruent, we can say that AB is equal to BC. Pretty easy. That is right. In triangle ABD and ACD. Okay, I can see that angle BAD is equal to angle CAD by construction. Another angle ABD is equal to angle ACD, that is also given, and then third side AD is equal to AD because they are common side. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by angle side. AAS. Since they are congruent, therefore AB is equal to AC, corresponding side. AB is equal to AC, since AC. Okay. Please note the corresponding sides will be equal. You can't say AB is equal to AD, or you can't say AD is equal to CD. Those things are not possible. Only corresponding sides. AB is equal to AC, AD is equal to AD, BD is equal to CD, angle B is equal to angle C, angle A is equal to angle A, angle D is equal to angle D. So that means it is a theorem. Let's take some examples based on these concepts now. So in this triangle ABC, AD is the bisector of angle A. So this angle is equal to this angle, and this is perpendicular to BC. So this is 90 and this is 90. It is given. So we have to prove that AB is equal to AC. Let's draw these two triangles like this. This is ADB. The next is AD and C. Why I took this way? Because these two angles are given same. Okay, and these two angles are also given same. And this side is equal to this side. So we can easily prove that they are same, congruent, and if they are congruent, we can prove that AB is equal to AC. Okay, I'll not solve this for you. You can see that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, ABD, ACD, right? Since they are congruent, therefore AB is equal to AC. Done. Now, since AB is equal to AC, it is isosceles triangle. Why? Because the sides are equal, so angle is also equal. Or you can just say that angle B is equal to angle C. Why? Because this triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Pretty easy. Thank you. Visit our website examfear.com to watch more and more quality education videos. You can also attempt free online tests that are there in our website. You can also get access to tons of free study materials, and you can also find free tutors and mentors in this website. Thanks a lot.